Hey, how's it going, everybody? This is Roger Cruz from Roger Cruz Marketing, and thanks for joining us today. I just want to make a quick video here. If you're trying to make YouTube thumbnails to make your YouTube videos look a little better, I'm going to show you a free, fast way to get them done. Feel free to leave me any questions here on my site at rogercruzmarketing.com or leave me a comment below. If you find this useful, please like the video, comment, share, let me know. And if there's anything you think I can improve, also, I would really appreciate it. Trying to improve the channel and make this as useful as possible. All right, well, let's get right into it. So what's a YouTube thumbnail, just in case you're wondering? A YouTube thumbnail is the picture that you use to introduce your YouTube video. So it's pretty important just because if someone types in something into YouTube, there's usually going to be several results. So like, for instance, best ceramic coating. So this guy here, even though he might have the best ceramic coating, because he's got his video playing, it doesn't look as appealing as this one here that says best ceramic coating with the cool graphic on it. And then some look better than others, but the people who are utilizing this stick out better. And overall, you can see it works. Like, see this guy here? He's got 9,000 views. Or this guy's, actually, this guy's got a sick car on his, though. He got 495K. So I think I might have spoke too soon on that. But yeah, you can see the difference. Like, for instance, this has 22,000 views, and this has 172,000 views. And I'll bet you it has a lot to do with just the fact that this looks better, even though this might end up being a more useful video. You'll notice all the greats use it. So like Neil Patel, you just saw, Brian Dean here, they tend to use the same colors, so you know it's them when you see it. Evan Carmichael. So it's the constant rule that you see throughout YouTube. So if you want to have a successful YouTube channel, my idea is that you probably need to have one of these. A lot of us don't have time or are good at graphic art. So I'm going to show you how to do it fast. Go to canva.com. I use Canva all the time. I get nothing for telling you guys to go to canva.com. This is just honest help. I'll put a link in the description below. And you can go through here and you can make just about anything. You give Canva the size that you need. So like, for instance, YouTube, and then thumbnail could be right there, and it knows the pixel size already, and it's for any social media, almost anything you could think of, even flyers, postcards, like paper goods, digital files, everything. It has preset sizes ready to go and preset templates that you can use. Where is it? Cool. So we're just going to pick a template. This is tutorial YouTube thumbnails, so I'm just going to go with that. That's what we're doing. And how to train your puppy. Sure, we'll start with this one. So the one thing about Canva is that not all of the pictures and templates are free. So what's not free in this is the picture of the dog. And if you're searching, I mean, I have a paid account. I pay $10 a month for Canva, but there are still some things it doesn't unlock. So while you're searching, I mean, if that was even a big deal, you could put like how to, and it's still not giving me the option. Let's go here. In photos. So if I were to go to photos and put like how to, and I wanted to see which ones are free, I could click the free option and it'll let me know. So that's just another way you can go through it. But for the sake of the tutorial, this is pretty awesome. My color I use for like my logo, my t-shirts I wear all over my website is the dark color purple. I'm kind of prepared for this, so I got the color code ready to go. You guys can always go here and pick your own color. I just know my color code. And then put here how to make a great YouTube Yeah, fast. And we'll leave that there. And then just kind of highlight this. Bring the font down. Was it 93? Go 88. 88 still not there. Go 80. Boom. Very cool. And that actually looks really good. We'll leave it like that. And then I kind of want to add some more text, to be honest. So I'll just go here. See what this font is. This is Lydia 1. All right, we'll just try to remember that. Grab one of these. It keeps the font that you used recently on the top, which is cool. You don't have to scroll down. I forgot to mention that's pretty cool. Fast and free. Actually, fast, easy, and free. I think the comma goes after the and symbol. Grammar ramp. Who cares? We're just gonna leave it out. Sweet. Size it up. Or you can put it on the top here, but for this, for the sake of time, I'm just gonna kind of go like that. And then I've got some photos I've uploaded already. You can upload your own photos. I put these on my business card, so I kind of already have them on my computer. There we go. Now we've got one. Looks pretty good. We can use this as a template from now on, so it'll always save in Canva. We can duplicate it and then just change the titles as we go, change the pictures as we go if you want to get funky with the pictures. And on the next one. And then you can always make it two-tone. Now, yeah, you didn't like the fact that it didn't have that two space like all the other guys that we just looked at had. It's again for the sake of time. So now you can make a two-tone one. Grab this guy, it's got that little bit of white on. Now I got used for this. Oh, come on. This program is pretty fast to use. They've got a ton of tutorials. If you need a tutorial, let me know. I'll make it. I love this program. Yeah. So now I got a couple of these to play from, or to choose from. So for this video, I could pick one of these, see which one I like the best. And kind of keep this theme going, get creative as I go along. And eventually I'll have just as many as they did. So hope you guys enjoy. Take care, and thanks for watching. Oh, also, please like, subscribe, comment on the video. If you have any questions, let me know. And you can always call the business, 407-558-2789. Take care.